About 2 weeks ago, I wrote a paper about the human genome. On this paper, I briefly hinted about the difference between animals and humans. Um, on that paper, I hinted that the difference between humans and animals is not that we are upright, that we can walk on 2 feet, but that our brains are different. Now, the things about our brains that you need to understand is that animals mostly learn from instinct. And we do learn from instinct, or should I say, instinct is programmed into our brains. But but more so on top of that, that I hinted that the difference between us and them is that we learn. What is learning? Okay, learning is not it's not what you already know. What can be programmed into your brain by repetition. Learning is often by repetition, if that makes sense. Um, about about in my 8th grade year, my tech teacher said that the human brain takes about 7 times to learn something. Um, now about these 7 times, why is it seven? Is it because is God's lucky number? Well, That is that's unclear, and the funny thing about that is that scientists have no clue why it's seven. Why is it 7 times? Why isn't it like 8 times or 2 times or the first time or 100 times? Science is saying that 7 times is not too much and not too many. Yeah, if you look at the numbers, 6 is very easy to divide by stuff, and 8's not, and 7 is horrible. Is it because that 7 is that funky number, it's an odd number? I don't believe so. I think it's just that 7 is the difference. Seven in this instance kind of like 13. Th 13 is one of the highest numbers of the regular numbers that you cannot divide by 2. Is it? And I just find that to be intriguing that it's 7 to learn.